Automatic call generator. In live market, it will generate calls like a signal. Today it's a New Year day, first day of the New Year 2024. At 9:54, a buy call generator. So green color signal has been showing. So buy call, green signal. Buy at 48,594. That is our entry point line. That straight white line from green color candle. That is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line, stop loss line. First target is more than 100 point target. It's 48,716. It's more than a 120 point target. Second target is double of first target. It's more than a 200 point target. So daily in live market, it will give calls like a signal. Like whenever a breakout happen, it will automatically generate the calls. We have inputted our strategy. We have converted into a formula, and whenever a breakout happen according to that formula, the calls will be generated automatically. Likewise, today a buy call came at 48,594. First target is 716. Sudden movement in the upper side direction. First target range breakout, more than a 120 point movement. So after a 1 hour volatile of up and down movement, it finally break out the first target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.